Hi everyone, so don't mind the kind of angelic lighting here. I am in my bathroom today and I'm going to show you my foolproof way of removing a stubborn liquid lipstick. As much as I love lipstick, and obviously like this whole channel and my whole blog is all about it, but I hated removing lipstick for the longest time because I could never get like the perfect kind of routine for really thoroughly, totally removing the lipstick without staining my lips, without like really tugging at my lips, without like rubbing them with a washcloth so hard that they're like over exfoliated. So this is what I have found to be the most amazing way of totally removing lipstick without like injuring your lips and without leaving anything behind. It's gonna get a little messy for a minute. Alright, so you are going to need two things. The first thing is a balm cleanser. The one that I'm using tonight is Clean Zero from Banella Co. and it is my favorite balm cleanser. You are also going to need a microfiber face makeup removing cloth. So that's like the makeup eraser, or this is the face halo. Either kind will work, or you can get like a generic microfiber cloth. Either way, you need it to be like one of those super soft microfiber cloths. Obviously, you can see this one is a very well loved, but it does the trick, and I just toss it in the washing machine and it does its best to try to remove the excess lipstick. So the lipstick I'm wearing today is the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Nice to Fuchsia. This like just does not really come off, so it's like the perfect candidate to show you how this really works. So the first thing, you take the balm cleanser, and normally when I'm doing this I will remove like my full face of makeup, but I'm just showing you the lips for right now. You take your balm cleanser, just like a little bit of it, and you massage it into the lipstick, and you are going to have lipstick all over your face. Very Joker style. Not much you can do about it, but that's just how you gotta get it done. It's an extremely attractive look. So even though my skin is like a little bit red around here where I have taken off like the foundation that was covering that up, I have totally removed the lipstick and it's just like nice and soft and my lips aren't torn up. It's amazing. Like, I feel like the balm cleanser is the obvious part here. The reason why I like to use like the microfiber makeup remover cloth is because it has all those tiny little threads. So the way that those take off your makeup is by using those little threads to pull the makeup off of your face and then trap it into the fabric. As good as those can be for removing like foundation and like some light eye makeup, they're not really the best at taking off like a thick mascara or a really like stuck on liquid lipstick. So I loosen everything up, basically lift it from the skin with the balm cleanser, and then I don't rinse it off with water because that can just make it go everywhere and it can be a real mess. I use the microfiber cloth then to take off all of that cleanser that has the lipstick kind of worked into it, and the little fibers from the microfiber cloth take off any extra lipstick that's kind of like sticking around or sticking to like the dry parts of my lips. And it makes sure that I'm not like roughing up my lips really badly with a like dry old washcloth. That is all I have for you today, my foolproof total removal of liquid lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!